Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, charge the Fit 4 above half and keep your phone's Bluetooth active. Open Huawei Health, confirm the watch is paired, then tap device right arrow maps. Select offline maps and choose the region you need. This starts the transfer. You're doing this because the watch has limited storage and the phone fetches map tiles faster. Once you tap download, monitor progress in the app. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable to avoid corrupted downloads. Next, you refine the download to fit the Fit 4 storage. Choose only the regions and zoom levels you'll use. Higher zoom means larger files. If space is tight, open storage on the watch or in Huawei Health and delete unused map packages. Pause and resume downloads from the app if transfer slows. You do this because targeted maps save space and reduce syncing time. Make sure the phone stays near the watch during transfer. Interruptions can leave maps incomplete. Finally, you verify the maps work directly on the Fit 4. Open Maps offline and zoom to check tiles. If you see gray or missing areas, clear the map cache in Huawei Health, then re-download that region. Incomplete transfers often cause the issue. If clearing doesn't help, unpair the watch, reboot both devices, repair, and run the download again. This resets the transfer layer. One key troubleshooting tip: keep Bluetooth stable and avoid back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.